What up? I made this wig like, oh my gosh, how long ago did I make this? It's been like 8 years. She's a yarn wig. Can you guess what it is? So I made a costume with this wig and I had the whole costume. But some of the pieces I made just didn't last with time and I had to throw them away. And two of the pieces, I just don't know what I did with. I had to get some new ones, but I'm gonna make a Coraline costume. I really love Coraline. The button eyes are just so fun to make. I'm gonna make this costume again because it was super fun, and we're gonna go to a party. I'll put this on later. I got these really cute little rain boots. Super duper cute. Very excited. Found them on Amazon for pretty cheap. And they're comfortable, so I will definitely wear these again. Dual purpose. I like it when a Halloween costume has that going for it. Yellow raincoat. So that's pretty much it. There's one more piece to this. I bought these watch glass replacements for like a wristwatch. And they are perfect size. They're also nice and like weighty. They just feel really nice, but they're the perfect size to go over my eye. And we are gonna make buttons. I made these a long time ago with the previous costume, but I made it out of model magic, which worked great in the moment, but it did not stand the test of time. So today, we are going to be using polymer clay. We're going to experiment a little bit. Let's get started. So what we're going to do, I bought some window tint, and this is so cool because look, it's see-through and it's just dark enough to where it's going to look very black and you're not going to be able to see through it, especially when they're like right up on my eye because there's really not going to be any light. And then what I'm gonna do is punch holes, and what that does is, well, one, it makes it look more like a button, and then two, it also helps me see better. So like I can already see through it, but I mean, I need a little extra help. So this is a really cool way that it just lets the light in, but then it's also part of the design, and it makes me happy. I'm gonna make the rim of the button with polymer clay, and then we'll glue that on top of it. So if you've never played with polymer clay, you should, because it's fun. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna see how big this piece is. Oof, and polymer clay takes a minute. You gotta like knead it. Okay, I've got this. I'm gonna roll it. So I'm gonna make a little snake with my clay here. Trying to keep it even. I want these rims to be pretty thick. Okay, that seems pretty even. So now what I'm gonna do is see if it is. Oh yeah, that's long enough. Ooh, I'm proud of that. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna cut this and this. A little more. Just like a little tip. All right, look at that. Ooh, it's pretty. It's so nice. I'm so proud. Okay. So that'll work pretty well. I need to make another one. Those are pretty good. Okay. Yay! Okay. Now, I'm gonna stick this here. There we go. I want it to be pretty seamless. All right, I think that's good. Yeah, there we go. That should work. Okay, round two. Okay, these are going in the oven. We're gonna bake these. Okay, so these have been baked a little bit. Can I sand it? I feel like, surely. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna get some sandpaper. I think it's working. Haha. All right. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm happy with that. Okay, we're gonna cut us a piece of this. Okay, now what I can do. Okay, I'm gonna cut these out. We'll fold it in half this way, and then we'll fold it in half this way. Now I've got a guide for where to punch my holes. Punch. 1. I think I do want them out a little further though. Okay, so I had these out that far. There we go. Okay, 1. Yay! Okay, I'm happy with that. That's our template. Okay, we're gonna try it. 1! There's a little piece hanging off there. I think we can fix that though. Yes! Let me get my tiny scissors. There we go. There we go. We got the buttons. Heck yeah, look at that. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, let's cut out the other one. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna grab just the very edge like this. Don't let go. Cool, look at this. Heck yeah. Okay, so let's get this guy on there. Look at that. Okay, so I looked at if you could use gloss varnish on polymer clay, and it looks like you can, so we're gonna try that. I'm gonna sand these a little more, and then we are going to varnish it. All right, let's get this varnish on here. Yeah. It is time. Almost there. I have this spirit gum. Looks kind of nasty, but it's the right color, I promise. And we are gonna stick these eyes on with the spirit gum. Grim Creeper. Alright, well, that only took longer than I thought it was going to. But hey, here we are. Alright, well that's it. What do we think? Alright, well, see ya.